Hey folks, welcome to Puzzle Spoilers. Today we're taking a look at the Hanayama Donuts puzzle. This was released in 2011. It was designed by Vessa Timonen. There's a subtle Hanayama laser etching on this darker piece. You can sort of see it right there in the center of the screen. As you can see, the puzzle consists of two intertwined donuts. The goal of this puzzle is to disassemble it. It's comprised of 4 component parts. There's a silver donut and a black donut. We're going to focus on the silver donut. They're a little bit different in structure. Let's take a closer look at this silver donut. It's cut completely down the middle, 360 degrees, and if we slightly open up both pieces, we see that there's 2 pins in there. One of the pins is on the right piece and the other on the left. Our first step is getting those 2 pins in the 12 o'clock up position on both the right and the left sides. It requires a little bit of patience and dexterity, but you should be able to do it with a little bit of practice. And I'm going to rotate that a little bit so that you can see the pins in there. That's the pin on the right side, and that's the pin on the left side. I'm just wiggling that to show you where the pins are. So both of those are approximately in the 12 o'clock position. Now our black donut is a little bit different. There are cuts throughout the donut, and some of them cut through half the donut, and then there's one cut that cuts completely through, and there's only one spot where that occurs. And we want to line that cut up with the cut on the silver donut. So that cut should be in the 12 o'clock up position. Now that we have the pins in the 12 o'clock position and that cut on the black donut also in the 12 o'clock position, we want to rotate the front part of the donut 180 degrees while keeping the back part of the silver donut steady. So with our thumb, we can kind of approximate a 180 degree turn so that now we have a pin in the silver donut on the bottom and also on the top. That should allow us to start wiggling the donut and separating it. There we go. And once the silver donut has slightly separated, it pretty much comes apart really easily and the whole puzzle will fall apart. So I'm going to do this slowly. There we go. And we have solved the donut puzzle. Let's take a closer look at these pieces. So here are the pins that I was referring to. The pins slide in each other's grooves. They are the same piece, so they move just like that. What we were trying to achieve was pins in the opposite direction, kind of like this. And in that position, the donuts have some wiggle, and that is what allows you to disassemble the black donut. Here's a closer look at the black donut. These 2 pieces are also the same. These have pins and holes and assemble just like that. To put the puzzle back together, we want to be in that orientation where the pins are opposite of each other. And we want to slide the donuts apart. And I like to hold the silver assembly in my left hand with the top donut protruding just like that. And then you can take one of the black pieces, it doesn't matter which one, and place it just like that and slide it over. Then we can take the other part of the black donut, and we want to put this piece in the bottom part of the silver donut. And we want to put it in just about there. And then slowly slide those pieces together. And there's sort of a coordinated movement here. We need to push the silver pieces together while holding down those black pieces together, and they'll all come together simultaneously, just like that. They're now all intertwined, and we're back in the assembled position. I'll put a link below to where you can buy this puzzle, and if you found the video interesting, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. That's it for today, folks. I'll see you on the next video.